Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and stairs can be so unpredictable, so you really need to make sure you stay safe.
And I am so glad I tried this industrial handrail by ROTHLEY. It is so well made and was the needed addition that we needed to our stairs. It has the handrail connections. The instructions give you so much insight into the measurements. You then easily slide in the poles. You have the ends you can put on each side with a rubber mallet, get it in there nice and good, and then just tighten the eyelets so that it holds the handle nice and sturdy. We put these all into studs, and it really just is so wonderful. If I'm going down the stairs in my heels, I can have that extra confidence knowing that I'm not going to twist an ankle or fall. We can have friends over even if they're older. They don't have to be worried about going up or down. If it's dark outside, they can have that safety. Very often carrying a lot of stuff, whether it's groceries or when I'm on a job and I'm carrying my cleaning supplies. This honestly even caught my husband when he almost fell, and it made a big difference.
I feel so much better having this here, not only for peace of mind for me and my husband, but also feel free to invite friends over and know that they're going to stay safe. And that's my point of view.